Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you 5 do-it-yourself projects you can make from a broken mobile phone. Let's start disassembling it. Take out the microphone and take apart its casing. Now, solder a 2-core wire to the microphone. Next, take an old marker that no longer writes and take it apart. Mark it and cut off the part we need. This is how it should look. Make 2 holes in the second part of the marker. Now you need to take a hairpin, take it apart and insert it into the holes you made. Insert the wire with the microphone and secure it with a zip tie. Place the fabric on top and fix it using the second part of the marker. Cut off all the excess and paint the white part black. Solder the plug to the other end of the wire. The first do-it-yourself project is done. Let's see how it works. 1 1 2 3 1. This is the kind of great lapel microphone you can make from a broken mobile phone. Now let's move on to the second do-it-yourself project. And for this one, we'll need a vibration motor. We remove the rubber cover and solder wires to the contacts. Next, we take a computer mouse and disassemble it. Solder one of the wires from the vibration motor to the D contact. Solder the second wire to the middle contact of the first button. Now you can secure the board back in place. Using hot glue, attach the vibration motor near the first mouse button. Reassemble the mouse. As you can see, now it has vibration feedback, similar to a joystick on a Sony PlayStation. When you play games, pressing the first button will make the mouse vibrate. For the third do-it-yourself project, we'll use a phone battery. You need to solder wires to the positive and negative contacts. To prevent the wires from being pulled off, we'll secure them with electrical tape. Next, take a television remote and disassemble it. You need to desolder the contact springs from the board and solder wires in their place. Solder the red wire to the positive terminal and the blue wire to the negative terminal. In the back part of the case, file down the battery compartment since we won't need it. Now, attach the phone battery in this spot. Reassemble the remote. Next, take the TP4056 board and solder the wires to it. Place the board inside and close the cover. Now our remote works on a rechargeable battery, which will last for many years. If it runs out of charge, you can always recharge it using a regular phone charger. For the fourth do-it-yourself project, you'll need a phone screen. Take it apart and remove the ribbon cable. There's an LED strip on the ribbon cable and you need to solder wires to it. Use electrical tape to secure the ribbon cable so it doesn't come off. Next, take a broken LED bulb and remove all components from it. Attach the wire to the central contact. Now solder a 47k ohm resistor to one of the wires and a diode IN 4007 to the other wire. Next, solder the screen's negative wire to the resistor and the positive wire to the diode. Everything's fine. Insulate and attach the screen to the base. Hot glue a fiberglass piece to the central contact, then attach the screen. Nothing will heat up there, so you don't have to worry about the glue melting. Apply a little hot glue and close the bulb. As you can see, we've made a light bulb with a phone screen shining inside. Its power is not very high, about 2k dahlias, but that's enough to light up a small room. For the fifth do-it-yourself project, we'll need the socket where the charger was plugged in. Also, on the board itself, you need to remove the metal shield and find the chip labeled LTH. 7 desolder this chip. This is what it looks like with 5 pins. Take a prototyping board, 2 LEDs, a 1-ohm resistor and solder them as shown in the diagram. And this is the kind of charger we got for the 18650 battery. We connect the same phone power supply and see it's charging. When charging finishes, the green LED lights up. Who liked the do-it-yourself projects? Give a thumbs up. See you all later.